So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to code a game in Python IDL. So you can download this Python IDL in Google Chrome. Just search Python IDL download and you can get it for Windows 7, Windows 8 and even Windows 10. So let's get started with our code. So first you have to type ring. Our game's name is number guessing game. Okay. So the next line we will write input random. Then a equal random dot randint. Then bracket 1 2. So this line means like the computer choose a number between 1 to 50. The next line print select a number in between 1 and 50. It's only that much, 50. Then let's close the bracket. Then we have to like chances. So in every game there will be chances. So in the starting the chance will be 0. So we are putting chances equal to 0. Then while space chances is smaller than 5 and guess equal in input, then if a equal a is the number, like it's a variable, then in that variable the correct number is stored. So if that is equal to the our guess, then print you won with little bit of excitement. Then let's close this bracket. Then like we should break this instruction because the game has finished. Then if a is greater than our guess. A means the number is stored in A, okay? So we have to do here also like this and then print your guess is very low. Choose a number higher than our guess. So we must just type guess. Close the bracket, then enter. Then when we use the guess one time, our chance should increase to 1. So chance plus equal to 1. Then enter. Then else. Print. So we can just, for easy way, let's copy this line. Instruction. And here we can give enter. We paste this, and here there is a little change. Here instead of low, we must type high. And here instead of higher, we must type low. Means that is lower. And if for that also chance, guess must be like +1. If not, chances is smaller than 5. Then print you lose. Better luck next time. And again we must do enter. Then print correct answer. Okay, so here we forgot one thing. This correct answer is A. Then close the bracket. So here we have finished our program. So here as you can see it is not saved and it is untitled. Then we go to run module. Then shows must be saved. Okay to save. This okay. Then we must go and save it. So I have already did. So let's go like game. Okay, I didn't put E because there is already one program with game and another program with games. So I put GAM only. Okay, then save. So let's okay here it came. So let me put maybe 26. This is very high. Choose a number lower than 26. So let me put 13. Let's choose a number higher than 13. Let me choose 20. Very high. Choose a number low. So I did already 3 chance. 17. Yeah, this is very high. Choose a number lower. So let me choose 15. Okay, so you guess is very high. Choose a you lose. Better luck next time. So this game works properly. Correct answer is 14. So the computer already choose the number that is 14 and we have to guess that number. I hope you like it. Bye. See you in the next video. I hope you like it.